In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to upload UGC items in Roblox Studio. Step 1, what you're going to do is to go to any web browser and then type upload UGC items in Roblox. Okay, so tap this one here. Now step 2, you have to scroll down till you see the publishing to marketplace documentation. Tap this. Okay. Now, step 3, what you're going to do here is to simply look for that marketplace policy. Okay, you have to read the instruction there to avoid any copyright issue. Okay, so we have here marketplace policy, read the instructions, and then follow their program guidelines. Okay, so once everything is clear to you, you can proceed to step 4. Step 4 is you just have to go to your Roblox account. You can go up and then type roblox.com. Okay, so now let's proceed to step 5. Okay, so here you just have to simply click create and wait as it is processing. Now, step 6, what you're going to do is to click dashboard. Now, step 7, you have to look for avatar items that is next to events. And then step 8, you just have to click upload asset, upload your item here. Okay, and then make sure you follow this format. You can add some name and description right here and then click upload. Step 9, you have to wait as it is processing. Tap the item again and then click configure. Step 10, you have to turn this one on sale. Okay, and then save changes. But before that, you have to set a price. Make sure that you have enough Robux and then click publish. Tap this one here. Okay, and that's it. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. And that's how you upload UGC items in Roblox Studio. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.